Hey, it's TrackstarGGs back with another video on Tiny Tina's Wonderlands. Today, I'm going to be telling you guys about the best way to get loot from vending machines, if that's your preference. Personally, I never use vending machines, but sometimes I have recognized that I got chaotic and even volatile weaponry, as you will see in this video. My loot farming circle begins in the Chaos Chamber, and from there, I travel to the Pyramid and the Necropolis Osogul. I choose these three places in an order, so therefore I'm consistently traveling to new locations, re-rolling the possible loot pool inside of these vending machines. I choose Necropolis and the Pyramid because they are the two in-game places, and I believe that as a result, they give you much more volatile and chaotic loot. That'll be all for this video. Thanks for checking in. TrackstarGGs, checking out. Do not subscribe.
Welcome to the gun show. See you soon, I think. See you soon, I think. Spend your gold at the only vending machine with the Queen's blessing.